Realized helps investors tax efficiently transition their wealth from actively managed investment properties to passive interest in institutional quality real estate. This investment property wealth management solution starts with a holistic 1031 investment plan tailored to an individual's unique investment and lifestyle objectives. We begin by understanding the investor's current 1031 exchange requirement and how it fits within their broader financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. Realized values a team approach, welcoming the investor's advisors and family members to participate in the process to help ensure the best client outcome. Next, a customized plan is created with the same sophistication used to manage other sources of wealth. Grounded in principles of wealth management and modern portfolio theory, our iterative approach considers liquidity and income needs, estate planning desires, risk management and diversification in an effort to preserve wealth and maximize after-tax income. The plan includes an analysis of potential tax liability to help investors weigh the trade-offs of conducting a 1031 exchange versus paying tax. The plan also provides a curated portfolio of passive investment options designed to meet investor income objectives, subject to risk tolerance and other investment constraints. As a steward of wealth, Realized believes in a collaborative and transparent approach to investment property wealth management.